The dumbbell front squat to calf raise is a leg exercise that targets the muscles in the quadriceps, glutes, calves, and core. Here's how to do it correctly. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, then clean them up to the front rack position on your shoulders with your palms facing each other and elbows pointing forward. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your toes pointing slightly outward. Tighten your abdominal muscles to stabilize your spine. Inhale as you push your hips back and bend your knees to lower your body into a squat while keeping your back straight and chest up to avoid leaning too far forward. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground or as low as your mobility allows. Make sure your knees are tracking over your toes and not collapsing inward. Exhale as you push through your heels to return to a standing position, then immediately complete a calf raise by pushing through the balls of your feet to lift your heels off the ground, coming up onto your tiptoes. At the top of the calf raise, squeeze your calf muscles for a brief pause. Slowly lower your heels back to the ground, then immediately transition into another front squat. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.